Hey there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix blurry wallpaper on your iPhone 8 Plus. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open Settings, scroll down, tap Wallpaper, now tab on plus add new wallpaper. Tap Photos from the top left corner, now search and tap your favorite picture from here. Make sure that you're choosing a high resolution photo. After that, tap Add from the top right corner, then tap Customize Home Screen. Now tap Blur. Here's your blurry picture out. Now tap Done from the top right corner. And that's it. So guys, this is how you can fix blurry wallpaper on your iPhone 8 Plus. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.